Hello friends, welcome to Options Theory again. Today I will share one strategy with almost 80 to 85% probability of profit. And let me give you one disclaimer, I do not encouraging anyone to take the same trades as these involves a little bit of risk. So please consult your financial advisor before taking any trades. This video is only for educational purpose. So let's start. As you can see, I have shorted one lot of 10,300 call and I have bought 10,300 call of 9th July expiry. I have given the name of calendar spread, identical calendar spread strategy. So here, what's the logic behind this trade? Let me explain you. Nifty is trading around 10,300 approximately. So the 10,300 calls intrinsic value is right now is almost around 1 or 2 rupees. So and the theta decay in 2nd July contract will be very high. So there is a very high chance that this 10,300 call may expire worthless. So in that case we will gain around 91.2 points, which is roughly around 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. We will be in profit. But at the same time, 9th July 10,300 call we are long. So this will also go down. But one thing I am sure that this will not become zero. So if you calculate considering the both, you will be in net profit. If now analyze the different scenarios. What if the market goes very up or gap ups? In that case we need not worry because we are already long in 9th July contract. So if 2nd July 10,300 call goes up drastically, the 9th July 10,300 call will also go up. And the second scenario is, what if the market becomes sideways? That's the best possible scenario for us to gain the maximum profit. In that case, this 10,300 call will be surely trading around 10 to 15 rupees if the market goes sideways. Similarly, this will also, there will be loss in 10,900 call also, but as I said earlier, if you calculate both of them, we will be in net profit. Now third scenario will be, what if the market goes down, means it goes very down, gap down by let's say 100 150 points. So in that case this 2nd July contract will definitely become zero by the expiry. And to avoid to cover the losses of 10,300 call of 9th July, what I will do, I will short 10,500 call of 9th July 2 lots and with very strict stop loss. So the losses which are occurred in 10,300 call 9th July will be covered by these contracts. So you will be thinking, what if the market goes down today and tomorrow again it goes up? So in that case also we are anyways long in 10,300 call of 9th July. So if market goes up tomorrow, this 10,300 call will go up very fast compared to 10,500 call. And as I said, we will be putting very strict stop loss in 10,500 call. Let's say if I short 10,500 call around 50-55 rupees, I will be putting stop loss around 70-75 rupees. So in that case also the probability of losses are less and there will be a limited loss but not huge loss. So let's see how this trade goes. And once again friends, do not try to copy the same trades, as I will be doing some adjustments in between the trading hours, which anyways not possible to share in the live scenario. So if anything goes wrong, I will be doing some adjustment to these trades, but the main conditions remains the same as I have explained earlier. So there are, in two cases we will be in profit, if market goes down and if market goes sideways. and if market goes up, we'll be in no loss no profit condition. Hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you.